A day will come when everything will be back to normal. You will get up early in the morning, you will dress up, you'll go to your school. Few days will pass. Everything will be quite normal as earlier. Then suddenly one day, one thought will come to your mind कि इतने दिन हम घर पे थे, पूरे 24 घंटे हम फ्री थे, कोई भी काम नहीं था, स्कूल भी नहीं जाना था, फिर हमने क्या किया इतने दिनों में? So definitely you are going to have this feeling. 24 hours थे. Out of these 24 hours, I slept for 8 to 9 hours. Then I studied for 3 to 4 hours. Then what did I do in the remaining 12 hours? So hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So you must be thinking कि why am I taking you to the future? Because I know that when everything will get normal, then definitely you all are going to have these feelings. You are definitely going to regret कि आपने बहुत सारा time waste कर दिया. But don't worry, I have come to your rescue. Means I don't want my children to have these feelings of regret. I don't want you guys to have these negative feelings. So I have brought one free online 7 days course of learning English. So we will be learning so many things in this course and it will be quite fun. Means ये सिर्फ एक लेक्चर्स नहीं होंगे जिसमें सिर्फ हम पढ़ा रहे हैं. In one video of almost 20-25 minutes, you will be learning a lot and you will be finding it interesting also. So you don't have to do anything. You don't have to pay for that course. Only what you have to do, you have to subscribe to the channel and you have to answer me 2 questions which I'll be asking you at the last. Only that much you have to do and you will be eligible to join this course for free. So now let me tell you कि इस कोर्स में हम क्या क्या सीखेंगे. So first of all, the name of this course will be आओ English सीखते हैं. Right? Means the way of teaching will be both in English and Hindi. Because what will be the syllabus of these classes? Means we will be having 5 lessons. In each lesson we will cover up one rule of grammar. Then there will be some words of vocabulary, new words, and then the most interesting thing will be one conversation. For that I will most probably I'll be taking help of my son Arinjay. He will be my partner in conversation. For that I have created very interesting situations also. I have planned everything. I can show you. I have written everything in this diary. So I have really worked very hard for this course. So I expect you guys to be very serious. Means the main purpose is to make you people improve your English. So after that conversation, then I will be telling you one story from my personal life related to that situation only. And that will be real story, not any fictitious something. Right? So you can trust me. And then I'll be telling you about one etiquette for personality development, and at last there will be a test. So this much will be there in that one video. Means so much stuff will be there. So it will be quite fun, quite interesting. Means you will be learning so many things, but you won't realize that you were actually attending some class. Right? So that will be my purpose, that in fun way only you can improve. And now the thing is that if I have worked so hard for you, I want the same seriousness from you guys also. Means if I am ready to teach you, you should be ready to learn. Right? I'm not going to charge anything for this. So you will have to promise me that you will do your will. You will be quite serious. You will be quite sincere in answering the questions, in participating all the activities and everything. So it will be personally, means I can personally recommend you to have a partner for your conversations, and you can make your partner any friend, your cousin, any your brother, sister, your parents also, because parents can also learn. They can also, उनके लिए भी बहुत अच्छा होगा ये, means these videos will be very useful for anybody. किसी के लिए भी useful हो सकते हैं, because parents also need to help their children. Sometimes they go to the schools of their children and there they are not able to speak properly. Means I'll be covering up actually all the aspects of learning English. Grammar, vocabulary, conversation skills, personal etiquettes, your evaluation and some storytelling also. So it will be quite fun. So I am ready. Join hands with me, hold my hand and join the course. So that much only you have to do. Only you have to answer your questions, means which I am going to ask you at the end, and you can join the course. And you can share this course with others also. If you are means if you care for somebody, you can send this course to them also. They can also improve their English. I'm going to ask you the questions. My questions are, I'm going to ask you 2 questions in this video. First question is, why do I want to improve my English? Why do I want to improve my English? This is your first question. Second question is, name the thing which never repeats itself. Name the thing, one thing that never repeats itself. Right? So what you have to do, you have to simply go to the comment box. There you have to write your name and your age, so that I can come to know who are my learners, who are my students, and you will write answer 1 and answer 2. That will be enough. And now means I can just give you some hints what my topics are going to be in the videos. Means in first video I'll be creating a situation, Atithi tum kab aoge. So that will be quite fun. In second video it will be ये घर बहुत हसीन है. In this way, means I'll be taking situations in a very interesting manner. So it will be quite fun for you all guys. So join the course and go ahead. Best of luck.